In a world where humanity has forgotten how to care, it's time for a reawakening. Look around. Humanity has failed to care for one another. We've become so focused on our own lives, our own success, that we've forgotten the power of empathy, the strength of compassion. When someone stumbles, we laugh. When someone cries for help, we turn a blind eye. But this isn't who we are meant to be. We are capable of so much more. We can be the generation that redefines what it means to be human. It starts with a simple act of kindness, a moment of empathy, a choice to care. Each of us has the power to make a difference in someone's life. A smile, a helping hand, a listening ear. These are the true measures of success. Imagine a world where we lift each other up instead of tearing each other down. A world where compassion is the norm, not the exception. This is the world we can create if we choose to care. Let's not let the failures of the past define us. Let's be the change we wish to see. Together, we can reawaken our compassion, reignite our humanity, and build a future where caring for one another is the foundation of our society. It's time to rise above indifference and embrace our shared humanity. Let's make caring the new normal, be the change, reawaken our compassion. Together, we can make the world a better place.